And welcome back to DC News Now at noon. Your time is 12:14. Meteorologist Damon Madsen is joining us now with another look at the forecast. Damon, a DMV first warn day. What do we need to know?
Well, Mark, let's just put it this way. The minute I walked out my door this morning, I had to question whether or not I was in the tropics. It's another level out there, and I'm sure all of you out there as well. If you've had to step outside at any point so far today, it is just downright stifling. That humidity, and now the rising temperatures combined is making it a very hot and humid Friday. It even looks hot on our view out toward the National Cathedral here, with that sunshine breaking through some of those puffy cumulus clouds we have in the sky. Temperature-wise, we have the 90s already in place mostly across all of northern Virginia, back up even to Cumberland, Martinsburg, and Frederick, and then across southern Maryland. Those lower 90s are in place. We are going to continue to see the temperatures climbing through the 90s this afternoon, but it's not so much about the air temperature. It's the fact that we have dew points that are pushing 80 degrees. That is another level of just stifling humidity here across much of the DMV, and that is what is pushing that feels like temperature to be about 10 to 15 degrees more than the actual air temp. So don't take that thermometer reading at its face value, folks. Look at this. We have a feels like of 106 in Leesburg and Manassas, triple-digit heat index values south of I-66, and Waldorf, Lexington Park also very much in the mix with these elevated heat index values. And a change to the forecast from yesterday is the fact that a chance for rainfall, a chance for any storms to try and cool us off a little bit, that's minimized at this point. We have activity off to our west that we are watching across Kentucky and Ohio, but it's still got a ways to go before it makes it here to the DMV. And at this present moment, we don't have any sort of shower and storm development across the DMV. So here's what we're going to contend with, folks. As we go over the next couple of hours, we're looking at widespread triple-digit heat index values with that feels like temperature approaching, if not exceeding 110 degrees, where we have that excessive heat warning in place down toward Fredericksburg and across all of southern Maryland. So take all those precautions if you are going to be out and about for any bit of time here today, folks. Take those breaks. Try to stay hydrated. This is not the kind of heat and humidity you want to mess with. And unfortunately, this does continue without any shower and storm development well into the evening, but we are looking at the possibility of some rainfall to cool us off before the day is done. Here's that storm system, the front that's associated with it, all the way back to the west. It will finally start to roll toward us by 8, 9 o'clock tonight, and that's when that line of rain and storms west of us will finally arrive. It will be weakening, unfortunately, so we're not going to get a whole lot of rain out of this, but it will be the first half of the night tonight that we could finally get some of that rainfall to cool us off. So there you go, folks. Again, very hot and humid today. Saturday, not much of a different change as a cool front passes overhead, and then we keep this very summer-like pattern going all the way into early next week.